And welcome back to Long Switch Academy. This is your host Shubham, and you are watching our Salesforce How to series, where we talk about quick tips, best practices, and standard operating procedures that you should follow as a Salesforce professional. Our today's topic is how you can assign labels to your opportunities so that you can easily categorize them, group them, or find them on your Salesforce platform. In order to do that, you have to go to your Salesforce org, and from the app launcher you have to find opportunities, and once you do that you will be taken to what I say, your opportunities list view. And on the list view you'll have an option, assign labels. That is a mass action. You can update labels, personalized labels on one or more opportunities altogether. For that, first you have to pick the opportunities on which you want to apply the labels. I'll pick a few of them, but you can pick as many as you want. Click assign label. This will allow you to group your selected opportunity together with a custom label. I'll give it a name, uh, Subham's first priority. You can give any meaningful label as per your use case, as per your business scenario, or your way of labeling opportunities. For example, I want to label some of my opportunities as my first priority, what I say, opportunities, but I cannot remember it for long, that which opportunities were my priority were on my priority list. So I want to create a label called Subham's first priority and attach it to all my selected opportunities. So even after 2 weeks, if I want to go back and check, I can easily track them. So likewise, this is the main use point of, or plus point of, using this labeling technique, where you can categorize your opportunities based on your business use cases, based on your priorities, based on your grouping strategy. So right now, there is no what I say, label with this name exists. So it will ask you to create a new label. I'll say yes, and once I'm done with that, I'll hit save, and you can see that this has been assigned. Before we deep dive, let's see if it allows you to check the labels or not somewhere. No, there is no field or something for that. But let's see, can we create a list view or not? My, let's say, priority opportunities. All as you can see, filter. I want to apply it on all. No, there is no filtration available as per the what I say, as per the list view, at the list view level, or at the field level. And now, if I have to open any of the opportunity and see if the label appears somewhere or not. Right now, I seems not to find it. So then now the big question appears: where do we find the labels associated with our opportunity? Let's find out the answer. Okay, since we have checked our what I say, our list view, we seems not to find any fields associated with the labels. We checked the record detail page, but we couldn't find any label representation on the record page itself. Now see where we can find it. So for that, what you have to do, you have to click this and click edit page. there is a lightning component related to my related to personal labels that we can use. So for that, I clicked on edit page. It allows me to edit the lightning page, and here in the components, I'll find label. There is a standard what I say component available called my labels. But where do I want to locate it? Under the details, I want to add it, and I'll hit save. So this is the way that allows you to what I say sign as of both. Save. I'll go back to my opportunity record page. It's taking me back there, and now if I go to the details tab, and you see that a label component appears, but right now this opportunity seems not to have any what I say selected, any label selected. Let's try in this opportunity instead, Acme Manufacturing. And here, if I go to the details, and you see now I can locate the personal label associated with my opportunity. So this is the one way of having or finding out which label is associated to what I say associated to your opportunity. You have to go back and edit the lightning record page, drag and drop the standard my label component, and that will list it for you. That is the first way, one way. The second way would be in your app launcher. You have to find labels. That is a labels record, or you would say an object that contains all the labels that you have defined in your organization. When you click on all, you will get to see that the all the records that you have, all the labels that you have created in your org right now. We just created one label, that is room's first priority, and the type is record label because we have added it on the opportunity record. So if you click on that, you will see, first you'll see the details, then there is a assigned records that will also give you a chance to look at on which records this label has been applied. For example, as you have noticed that I applied this particular label Shubham's first priority on 6 of my opportunities, and they all are listed here along with the object type. So you can use the same object, or sorry, same personal label across multiple objects, then add the my custom my label component on your record page to have the record level visibility, and you can at any point of time come back to your labels homepage where you get to see all the labels that you have created in the organization and all the associated records with it. So this is another way of categorizing what I say categorizing your records with personalized labels, and that will eventually help you speed up your grouping strategies. You can easily use enhance your what I say bifurcation mechanism within the Salesforce with the help of these personalized labels. So do let me know what you feel about it, and did you find this session or video informative? If you have anything else to add, do let me know that in the comment section as well. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing with Longstreet Academy. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, to subscribe to it now. This is your host Shubham bidding you goodbye for now. Uh, Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you very much.